Hey, I've been meaning to ask you, how's your family doing?
Oh, they're all doing great. My younger brother Arif just graduated from college. He's been really focused on his studies, so we're all super proud of him. How about your family?
That's awesome about Arif. My family's doing well too. My older sister, City, just had a baby last week. So now I'm an aunt. It's a whole new chapter for us.
Wow, congrats on becoming an aunt. What's her name?
Her name is Amira. She's super cute, so tiny. I can't wait to spend more time with her. My parents are also doing well. My dad's been working on his garden, and my mom's getting into knitting lately.
That's so sweet. My mom's been the same. She started taking cooking classes, and now every weekend, she makes these amazing meals. It's like having a mini restaurant at home.
That sounds delicious. It's great when our parents find new hobbies. It keeps them busy and happy. Do you get along well with your siblings?
Yeah, definitely. We've always had each other's backs, even when we were younger. We used to fight a lot, though. But now, it's mostly just good times. How about you and your sister?
We get along really well now. Growing up, we were a bit distant, but since I moved back home after college, we've gotten closer. It's nice.
That's great to hear. Family can change a lot, and it's nice when everyone's in a good place.
Exactly. They're everything. So, how's your dad? Still into hiking?
Yep, he's still going strong with that. He goes on a hike every month. He's hoping to do a big one next year, something challenging. We'll see if I join him this time.
Nice. Sounds like you all have your own thing going on, but still keep that bond. Family's pretty incredible like that.